Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we're taking you to a cozy riverside retreat that blends modern design with natural charm, the Riverside Hideout shipping container with its very own hot tub. Perfect for unwinding, this unique getaway offers the soothing sounds of the river, the warmth of a private soak, and the character of creative container living. Let's step inside and explore this relaxing hideout in style. If you want, I can also make you a matching outro narration so the tone feels consistent for your viewers. A unique oasis tucked into the woods and hills along Tuscarawas River. Mini kitchen, bedroom, bath, and living room. Sit on the patio and take in the views of the river from the hot tub. Near Ohio Erie Canal Trail, ProFootball Hall of Fame, Amish country, Berlin and Walnut Creek, Atwood and Tappan Lake, historic Zoar, Swiss Festival and Wineries. One pet is free, additional pets is $25 flat fee. You must claim a pet for cleaning purposes. The area is rural with rolling hills and forests. Park-like roads lead you to the 1/4 mile long, gravel, steep private drive that winds up through the trees. Not intended for fast and the furious cars. This is country, well-maintained country. You'll reach the container atop the hill, surrounded by trees. Inside, a corner sleeper sofa completes the reading lounge space large enough to spend the entire day gazing out the giant slider doors, large deck, gas grill, and hot tub. An eclectic collection of vintage, handmade, and found items complete the fully stocked tiny kitchen, complete with single-burner hot plate, toaster oven, and microwave and Bluetooth radio. Down the hall, behind an antique door is a full private bath stocked with amenities and a shower. Baseboard heating and air conditioning with hot water are provided. At the back of the container is the colorful, comfortable queen bedroom that opens up to the outside through a picturesque slider door for lots of fresh air and natural light. You will have complete access to the whole container and the immediate surroundings. There is plenty of parking. The container is up a hill and separated by the state route and the river. In the fall/winter, you can clearly see the road and river. Wi-Fi is available for $8 for each night booked. This Wi-Fi is a secure and dedicated service to the container. Some cell phone carriers have very limited service. Verizon works very well. Winter. Snowy days make the drive difficult. I highly recommend all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. There is a parking area at the bottom of the drive if you can't make it up. There are no refunds for failure to make it up the drive.
you for joining us on this tour of the Riverside Hideout shipping container with hot tub, a perfect retreat where nature meets modern comfort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Alvin's Studio, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring home tour. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.
I know gold is not enough.